Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the airdrop from Dege, a project that has recently seen a significant price increase and is currently getting a lot of attention. This morning, I checked out the airdrop myself and received 35,000 Dege tokens, which at the current rate is worth around $1,400. Naturally, I was super excited about it and decided to share this amazing opportunity with you. But before we get started, I want to make it clear that this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not giving financial advice or encouraging any specific actions. I'm simply sharing my personal experience with the Dege airdrop. Alright, so first things first, you need to visit the official website where the airdrop is taking place. I'll leave the link in the video description and pin it in the comments down below. Please be careful, this is the only official website for the Dege airdrop, managed directly by the Dege team. Make sure you're not clicking on any fake links or scam copies. Once you're on the website, you'll see a black button that says Claim Airdrop. Go ahead and click on that, and then select your wallet. Personally, I chose my main Phantom wallet, but you can use whichever wallet you prefer as long as it's supported. On average, my friends who've already checked out this airdrop received anywhere from $500 to $3,500. Additionally, I've received information that the more transactions you have on your Solana address, the more tokens you can potentially receive. This is done to ensure that only real users are getting the rewards and to prevent people from abusing the airdrop. Now, let's do a quick analysis of the Dege token. As we can see, the token was launched recently and has been growing rapidly. Twitter is buzzing with posts about it, and that suggests that the upward trend might continue. Because of this, I've decided not to sell the Dege tokens I received from the airdrop, and I'd recommend you don't sell either, as I'm confident that the price could double in the near future. However, since I'm not a professional crypto analyst, I can't make any definitive claims. This is just my personal opinion. So, always do your own research before making any decisions. That being said, in my opinion, the token will likely keep rising. Let's get back to the airdrop for a moment. I forgot to mention that there are only 7 days left until the end of the airdrop, so I highly recommend you hurry up and claim your tokens. It's possible that they'll close the airdrop earlier than expected or reduce the number of tokens they're distributing, especially since over 10,000 people have already participated and received more than 1 million tokens in total. Make sure to share in the comments how many tokens you've managed to claim from this airdrop. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like. I've got a lot of exciting and interesting crypto content coming up soon. Take care and see you in the next video.